This is the Kucey Cooling Side Sleeper Pillow. What I absolutely love about this pillow is the shape, first of all. For side sleeping, it's really the best because you put it like this and it just does that thing where it cradles your neck and comes right around for side sleeping. I've never had more comfortable positioning than with this pillow when I'm sleeping at night. And also, it has a bamboo side and a cooling side, and you can actually feel the cooling side. You can see it's labeled right here where it says bamboo and cooling. So you get the pillow itself, and it comes with the cover. Like I mentioned before, one side's cooling and one side is bamboo. And this cover is washable. Then on the inside, there is another cover. It opens, and there's another cover inside with a zipper. And you can open this zipper to access all the memory foam fluff on the inside so you can take it out. Now, when I got it, I took out a whole Ziploc bag, gallon Ziploc bag full of this because it was just too much for me. But it's totally adjustable. And then it comes with this extra bag that you can fill in later because all foam products will break down over time. But they give you extra to fluff your pillow up over time. I've been sleeping on this for a couple months now, and I've been great without having any neck pain in the morning. So I highly recommend this for the shape and the cover and the adjustability. It's a great pillow.